Wow, what it do, y'all? It's your boy City 360 bringing you another one on this little rainy day, November 18th, 2024. It's also day 18 of 30 days in the box Chevy with your boy City 360. As long as this rain stay like it is, I should be able to get the center unit swapped on the box Chevy. We got it jacked up on frame or jack stand. We jacked it up underneath the rear end, and we put the jack stands right here on both sides. We'll go ahead and drop that, and I believe I need 15 millimeter, maybe 5/8 to drop the tank straps. Set it down, that should be enough room for me. Get my cardboard, get a couple tools, see what it's looking like. I got my tools, y'all. I got a couple extensions. I got a 1/4 inch, I got a 9/32, and I got a 15 millimeter on my impact. Couple extensions, my impact. I'm gonna get up underneath here with my cardboard and see what I can make shape. I ain't gonna be able to set y'all up. I don't want the rain to come down and mess up my phone, so be recording while I'm under there. So underneath the whip, y'all, I unplugged this already with a sending unit. That don't look the best under the car. See the little rust and stuff there, but most of the actual frame is black. Okay, my shit's hit my drive shaft. But this where you got the 15 millimeters. You got two of them. One there, one here. I'll take them out, and then the gas tank will start to drop, y'all. Eventually, y'all, I'm gonna figure out what I gotta do to get the inside of the frame good too. But anyway, I dropped it a little bit right here. You'll have your ground bolt. I gotta see what size it is real quick. It's right there at the little ground cable, y'all. Got my 1/4. I might not be able to get in there like this. Let me put it on my ratchet. I was wrong, guys. I got a 9/32. You kind of see for right here for the ground cable, ground wire that goes for the gas, the fuel center unit. Loosen that on up. I got water falling all on my face from the rain that's running down the body of the car. You see, pull that loose, right? Put that screw back in there so you know where it goes and you don't lose it. Also, when I replaced the tank or did the frame swap, I made them wires the hoses a little longer. So I might go on the other side and undo it from there, but I might undo it from here. I'm gonna see when I get the tank down, see how much room I got. I got the tank dropped some. We got 9/32 to remove these. Got too much gas in there, y'all, but we'll be alright. Loosen that one up, loosen this other one up. Pull them off. Move this one's in the middle. I got my pliers for this one, but I'm finna
hey, man. All right, how you doing
remove
today?
these real quick.
I know.
And show you when I get them off. Got the tank out, y'all. I went ahead and removed one of the straps, and I'm I'm already removed this sending unit, but I'm also going to try to transfer most of this liquid into a gas can or into my other car or something, because this mug is heavy, y'all. Alright, y'all, so now I'm finna go ahead and remove this. You can remove this. You're gonna need it for your new one. Careful on that wire, but on here you got a couple little lips, like a little lip there, a little lip here, probably one under there. What I want to do is hit it clockwise or counterclockwise to loosen it. Got a little decent hammer and screwdriver or something, flathead. That'd be the bad thing. That'd be flattening out. So give me another one up in here. Hopefully I can get it to spin. You gotta be so close, probably. Little difficulties. You don't really want to lift them up too much because you need to lock down. Where was my piece? The bad thing about it being original, probably ain't never been removed. You seen it just move, y'all, so. Oh, I must got to spin around some more. That's how it's going to drop in. You got them openings. Go over there. Like so. That comes down. I might grab a vacuum real quick, y'all. All that stuff don't go down in there. Oh, okay. I believe the new one has this wire on there, so don't trip about that, y'all. I probably only got half a tank in there. See if this one do any good. One probably gotta be above the other, don't it? Alright, thing got to be, this has got to be up higher than this. I know it's going. How's it going? Okay. How the batteries and everything. You can stop it. They had it. Hit the red or hit the square. So they are a little different, y'all. Of course, I think the one on the right might be original. Don't quote me, but remove the bag off this float and slide this mug down on in there, y'all. First, I'm gonna put my lock ring over the top of this because it has to go. Hold on, let me see. New seal in there. Got the lock ring on here. Gonna drop it down in there. I remember this black. Damn, I might need a washer for my new, for my bolt. For this, for my ground cable. So with this sitting down up in there, y'all, I got the ring situated correctly to where that there, this here, and that there all slide up underneath those lips to where this prong here will be lined up with that. There's a prong here that'll be lined up there. There's a prong there that'll be lined up on the other side of that. You're gonna hit that clockwise to tighten it. Flashing? Yep. Get the old one out the way. Old silver. Not me on this. Take your time, y'all. Should've took my time. You can stop it. Recording, you see a timer? Huh? Yeah. Alright, yeah, so I had to run it back because under one of these lips, it was going up over it. I was right here. Lock that mug back down a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and see if we can get it in right this time. Alright, y'all, so that's what we're gonna try. We're gonna see. That mug up on there. And see what we can do now, y'all. Here's something. Should have got me some different clamps, y'all. Pain in the ass trying to do it by itself, especially with a full tank. Almost full tank. Get out here and show y'all what I got. So I got the tank up, y'all. I got the hoses on. Pain in the ass. If the tank was empty, I'd have been good. I got one strap on. I'm ready to plug this up, tighten up my ground, and put the other tank strap up. My fault, I couldn't record more, y'all. Just been trying to get this done real quick so I can go drop these bottles off at recycling. I got the ground. I got the gas tank straps bolted up. I got the ground strap tightened, or that ground cable. I'm gonna plug these in. This in real quick. This here goes under there. Can use two hands to get it connected. Now it's time to see if we got anything, y'all. Hopefully we got something. Let's see. Bam. So I'm gonna take it. If the sending unit was my problem for my gas gauge not working, we'll see what the problem is for my speedometer, y'all. I apologize. It wasn't the best video, but did what I could. If I ever gotta do it again, I'll probably get some longer hoses to where, really, just when y'all do a gas tank swap, a fuel sending unit swap, try to have as least amount of gas in the tank as possible, y'all, and it'll go a lot easier. You can make sure your lines and everything's hooked up with the tank being lifted up some without you having to worry about it falling over left or right. Yeah, thought I had gloves on, didn't y'all? But yeah, y'all, this is your boy Ox City 360. Finna get up out of here to remove the gas tank and the sending unit. I used a 15 millimeter, a 9/32, 13 millimeter to remove the fuel tank straps. I used a flathead and a hammer. It's your boy Ox City 360 getting up out of here, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to. I know it wasn't the best video, but I gave y'all the basics. One.